Renting your home on Airbnb. Extra cash tips for beginner hosts. Airbnb hosting is an easy way to earn over $1,000 per month in extra income without huge effort. If you have spare space to rent, here are tips to get started and succeed as a first-time Airbnb host. Make sure short-term rentals are legal in your area. I researched city laws to confirm hosting was allowed and any permit, registration, or tax requirements to stay compliant. Before listing your property, verify short-term rental hosting is legal in your city and neighborhood. Research local ordinances regarding length of stay, registration, taxes, or other requirements. Some cities ban Airbnb entirely. Due diligence to avoid compliance issues or fines. Calculate potential earnings minus additional expenses. I estimated potential revenue, then subtracted increased utility, cleaning, and maintenance costs to confirm decent profitability before proceeding. Do the math up front to calculate your potential earnings through daily rates and expected occupancy minus the expenses for increased utilities, cleaning fees, supplies, higher speed internet, maintenance, etc. Ensure your margins make hosting profitable before committing time and effort. Review your insurance policy for short-term rental coverage. Standard policies often exclude commercial use. I switched to proper insurance covering damage, theft, and liability before hosting. Carefully review your homeowner's or renter's insurance policy to confirm it covers short-term rental use. Most standard policies exclude commercial activity. Switching to a suitable policy with sufficient liability limits, damage coverage, and theft coverage for short-term tenants is crucial. Don't risk major uncovered costs. Set clear house rules and rental requirements. I outlined noise policies, check-in times, verified ID requirements, security deposits, and more to attract responsible guests. Craft detailed house rules and rental requirements to screen for responsible, respectful guests likely to leave your home in good condition. Require verified IDs, deposits, positive reviews. Outline policies regarding parties, noise, check-in times, smoking, number of guests allowed, etc. Block your calendar in advance for unavailable dates. I logged all vacations, holidays at home, and days unable to host well ahead to instantly block those dates from booking. Be sure to add any dates you are unavailable or do not want bookings in your Airbnb calendar in advance. Log any vacations, holidays you'll be home, or random days you can't host. Blocking dates instantly makes them ineligible for booking. Prepare your space for guests. Extensively, I staged attractively, deep cleaned everything, provided local guides and menus, installed smart locks and safety devices to optimize hosting. Thoroughly prepare your space by staging attractively, deep cleaning, making repairs, providing local guides, menus, installing smart locks and safety devices, stocking ample linens and toiletries, and optimizing lighting, climate control, and comfort to create an ideal hosting environment. Use a professional camera and natural light for photos. I used an SLR and natural light to take high-quality photos, highlighting the best features and atmosphere to entice guests. Invest time taking appealing photos that highlight your space's best features, layout, and atmosphere. Use an SLR camera and natural light for best quality. Photos are critical for enticing potential guests, so showcase your listing in the best possible light. Clean up clutter beforehand. Price your listing. Competitively based on market research, I analyzed comparable local listings to align pricing with averages for location, size, amenities, and seasonality to remain competitive. Take time to research comparable listings in your exact area, size range, and star level on Airbnb. Determine competitive pricing based on location, amenities, time of year, and supply-demand. Price it right to get bookings, but don't undervalue your space compared to equivalents. Personally greet guests for a warm welcome. I provide warm welcomes, quick tours, share my contact info, and set a friendly tone upon arrival to get stays started right. Welcoming guests personally allows you to give quick tours, share important details, provide your contact information, and establish a friendly tone. Positive check-in experiences starting with warm introductions help ensure great stays and reviews. First impressions matter. Offer convenience amenities, like quality Wi-Fi and TV. I provide strong Wi-Fi, cable, streaming logins, coffee, breakfast staples, and comfy bedding to maximize convenience like a hotel. Invest in small touches that maximize convenience like hotels do. Provide strong Wi-Fi access, share your streaming accounts, stock coffee, breakfast basics, make the room extra comfortable with quality climate control, bedding and toiletries all easily accessible. Maintain appropriate contact within reasonable boundaries. I check in briefly via preferred contact method, but respect privacy. Quick issue resolution prevents escalation. Some contact provides reassurance. Brief daily check-ins show you care, but avoid over-inserting yourself. Respect guests' space and privacy. Simply provide your preferred contact info and respond to issues ASAP to prevent escalation. Quick, reasonable communication makes the difference between a good and great stay. Thoroughly clean. After each stay, I washed all linens, towels, bedding on hot, wiped all surfaces, deep cleaned bathrooms, and removed trash so it's fresh for next guests. Put time into completely cleaning the entire space, including washing linens, towels, bedding on hot, deep cleaning bathrooms, removing trash, and wiping down all surfaces and furniture. The space should look freshly untouched for the next arrivals. Surprise guests with a small thank you gift. I left a bottle of wine, baked goods, or gift card to a local coffee shop upon arrival to positively stand out and delight guests. Consider providing a small, inexpensive thank you gift when guests arrive, like wine, baked goods, restaurant gift card, or tickets to a community activity. These thoughtful extras always delight and create fond memories, making your rental more memorable. Ask happy guests to leave 5-star reviews. I politely asked satisfied guests to leave positive 5-star reviews and provide any constructive feedback. Over time, stellar reviews build reputation. Don't be shy asking happy guests to please leave you an honest, stellar 5-star review reflecting their stay and provide any constructive suggestions. Accumulating shining reviews establishes amazing word of mouth, and your booking calendar fills faster. Reviews make all the difference. Quickly address any issues mentioned in reviews. If less than 5-star reviews noted problems, I rapidly fixed issues and responded politely to show I cared and was improving. If you receive reviews noting negative experiences or issues, address problems immediately for future guests. Also, respond professionally, expressing your desire to make it right and learn from missteps. Conclusion: with the right property, pricing, preparation, and hospitality-focused mindset, new Airbnb hosts can earn great side income monthly. You've got this. Let me know your biggest takeaway in the comments.